Flexible cords and cables have specific requirements outlined in the National Electrical Code. Firstly, consider the permitted uses for flexible cords and cables. They are permitted for pendants, wiring of fixtures, connection of portable luminaires, connection of portable and mobile appliances, elevator cables, wiring of cranes and hoists, connection of appliances, and other applications as specified in the code. Flexible cords are permitted for wiring fixtures where specifically permitted elsewhere in the code and shall be listed as fixture wire. Portable luminaires shall be wired with flexible cord, listed as appliance wiring material, and hard surface flexible cord shall be used where the luminaire may be subject to damage. Flexible cords are permitted for appliances where specifically permitted and shall be listed as appliance wiring material. Hard surface flexible cord shall be used where the cord may be subject to damage. Flexible cords and cable shall be permitted for other applications as specifically permitted elsewhere in the code. Secondly, let's look at the length of flexible cords and cables. The length of a flexible cord or cable shall not exceed the following. For appliances where the current rating is less than 12 amps, 6 feet or 1.83 meters. For appliances where the current rating is 12 amps or more and less than 20 amps, 10 feet or 3.5 meters. For utilization equipment other than appliances, 15 feet or 4.57 meters. There are a few exceptions. Exception number 1: flexible cord number 14 AWG or larger may be used for lengths not over 25 feet or 7.62 meters for appliances that are rated not over 1500 watts. Exception number 2: flexible cords used for the connection of portable luminaires to a receptacle outlet shall not exceed 15 feet or 4.57 meters in length. Exception number 3: a flexible cord or cable longer than specified in 400.7. B1 may be used where it is demonstrated that a longer cord is necessary to reach a receptacle outlet. For appliances connected to a receptacle outlet, flexible cords used to connect appliances to a receptacle outlet shall not exceed 6 feet or 1.83 meters in length, except as provided in 400.7. B1 or 2. Thirdly, it is essential to properly ground flexible cords. Flexible cords shall be provided with an equipment grounding conductor in accordance with 400.22 and 250.119. The equipment grounding conductor shall be identified by one of the means specified in 250.119. F through C. Fourthly, consider the size of the equipment grounding conductor. The equipment grounding conductor shall be not smaller than the size specified in Table 250.122 for the ampacity of the circuit conductors. There is an exception. Where the flexible cord is used to connect a utilization equipment to a receptacle outlet and the ampacity of the cord conductors is not greater than 20 amps, the equipment grounding conductor shall not be smaller than number 18 AWG if the cord is number 18 AWG or smaller, and number 16 AWG if the cord is number 16 AWG. The grounded circuit conductor of a flexible cord shall not be used as an equipment grounding conductor. Flexible cords shall be used without splices or taps. There is an exception. Splices or taps shall be permitted where specifically permitted elsewhere in the code. Attachment plugs shall comply with 406.9 and other applicable provisions of the code. Flexible cords and cables shall be protected against overcurrent in accordance with Part 3 of Article 240. Suitable strain relief shall be provided at joints and terminals to prevent pull from being directly transmitted to joints or terminals. Flexible cords used to connect appliances shall be marked in accordance with 400.11. Flexible cords shall not be used with Edison-based lamp holders unless the lamp holders are designed for this use. Flexible cords shall not be used in show windows or other locations where they may be subjected to excessive physical damage. Flexible cords used on appliances shall be of a type approved for the intended use. Varnished cambric and reinforced cotton-covered cords shall not be used where exposed to moisture. In summary, flexible cords must adhere to length restrictions based on ampacity, utilize proper grounding conductors size according to code tables, and be protected against physical damage and overcurrent. These cords also should be properly marked for their intended use. By adhering to these guidelines, electrical installations will remain safe and compliant.